Hi friends, this is Mirror Craft Mirror channel. We are making beautiful body cake in this style. We need two type of paper sheets, white and brown. So we draw beautiful patterns on a card with the green marker and fix the little flower in that. This is the final look of my card. If you like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and support my channel.